Hello my dear students, good morning all of you are welcome in VMS. Children, in last some hours we have learned about various parts of plants and their functions. In that we have introduced the roots of plants, stem of plants and leaf part of plant. Today we are going to see the next part, that is flower and functions of flower in lesson number 2. Children, flowers are most beautiful part of the plant. In all plants, a flower is usually its most colorful part. When this colorful part begins to grow bigger and open out, we say the plant flower is flowering. There are many different kinds of flowers in different areas in the world. Children, flowers are of different shapes, sizes, colors and fragrance. A flower is a special part of a plant. Flowers are also called the bloom or blossom of a plant. A flower is also a reproductive part of flowering plant. Children, if you observe the flower, we can see the flower have different structures. However, most have a similar basic structure. So children, let's we see the major parts of the flower. First one is petal. Petals are modified leaves that surrounded the reproductive part of flower. They are often brightly colored, attractive part of a flower to attract pollinators like butterflies and honeybees, etc. Here again new word, pollinator. A pollinator is an animal that moves pollens from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma of a flower. Children, in short, pollinators or insects or animals helps flower in reproduction. Together all the petals of a flower are called corolla. Children, let's we see the next part, that is sepals. Children, if we observe the flower carefully, then we found that a flower also has certain green colored structure or petals are usually surrounded by another set of special leaves called sepals. Functions of a sepals is to give protection for the flower when it is in bud and also support for the petals when in bloom. Blooming means when the bud is converted into flower, that phase is called blooming. So children, what we see? We learn two major parts of a flower, that is petals and sepals. In next, let's we see the functions of flowers. First one, flowers turn into fruit. So children, let's we see a video clip that shows how to tomato flowers convert into fruit. Children, next function of flower is Flowers provide food to butterflies and honeybees in the form of nectar. Here, nectar means a sugary fluid secreted within flowers to encourage pollination by insects and other animals, collected by bees to make into honey. So today, children, we learned a major parts of flower, that are petals and sepals, and functions of flowers. Now children, homework time. Children, solve exercise on page number 123 and send me. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.